Hi everyone, my name is Diksha Singh. I am a JEE student in Motion Education Kota. I was earlier doing self-study as I like to study offline, which is not available anywhere due to pandemic. One of my friends suggested me to join Motion online offline classroom program under which our online classes are started by the same senior expert faculties who used to teach at Motion in offline classes. The teachers are superb. I am able to understand every topic so easily, and the DPPs and the worksheet are also designed in such a manner that we could revise everything just before our next class. The motivation and the competition is so high that I don't miss offline classes. Also, the institute understands the situation of every student and has provided us a facility to pay only 50% fees to start the online classes. Remaining can be paid when we join offline classes. So if you are confused to select a coaching for JEE, go for Motion. Motion is the best.